Okay, so it's a bacon cheeseburger slab pie. So it's really easy to make for a large group.
I know. Yeah. Shut the door.
Yeah, shut the front door, right?
I know.
Okay, you guys are left. It's very intuitive. So all the ingredients is just basically what you find in a burger. So we have some onions going on here, some bacon, and the easy thing is you just put the bacon and the onions, you just let it cook over the stove.
Render it out.
Yeah, render out the
good.
It's delicious, right?
The
bacon makes everything
sweet.
better.
Bacon make everything better. If you put bacon around my arm, I would eat it.
I'd be like, all right, then we're gonna add some ground beef. I like to use the 80-20 because that.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm an 80-20 girl.
Me too.
Oh,
me too.
we're gonna roll deep.
Yeah, we are gonna roll. If you're gonna do it, you should do it. Like you shouldn't do the lean stuff. I'm like, if you're gonna do a
salt,
burger,
pepper?
salt and pepper,
Can
please.
I S&P?
Yes, please. S&P me. All right.
Over the shoulder
Get
for
it, girl.
baby.
Yes. Get it, girl. All right. So you're just gonna let that beef brown, and this is gonna turn this
It looks like this dude back here.
Beautiful, beautiful, yummy, delicious brown goodness. You know it's gonna be really good when it's that dark flavor, okay? So what we're gonna do is transfer this to a big bowl.
Big old mixing bowl.
Yep. And this is kind of the part where it might be a little bit strange, but it's not if you really think about it. We're adding burger ingredients. So we have some sweet relish here.
You gotta put the condiments right in,
Yes,
right?
please do it for me. Some ketchup. And who doesn't love ketchup? I put ketchup on everything.
Me too, delicious.
But even more so, I put mayo on everything. I'm like that grandmother in my big fat Greek wedding where I'm like, oh, you have a scrape on your knee? Just put mayo on it. Like, it totally works that way. I literally put mayo on. I'm gonna put it on this next thing we're gonna make too.
Okay.
All right, so you mix it up. We're gonna crack a couple eggs in here.
And what'd you use for the slab?
So we use store-bought puff pastry, which makes it very easy.
So easy.
Yep.
Dufour makes a good one. I like theirs.
Do you? Okay. Yeah, we should. Well,
Puff
I'm
pastry.
pretty sure this is what this is. So basically, put it in there.
Drop it in here.
Drop it in there. I like to roll it out a little bit because it kind of deflates it a little bit because puff pastry gets really, really, really fluffy. So I just like to roll it out a little bit. Beautiful.
Slather.
Yep. Spread it in there. All right.
Gotcha.
And now we're gonna add, you know, the basics of a burger. We're gonna add some American cheese. I use American cheese.
I love American cheese.
Yeah, it's processed and delicious. Like, who doesn't love American cheese? Don't go for the real stuff. Go for the fake stuff for this one.
American cheese it's un-American not to like American cheese. They put it in the name.
Yeah,
American.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
I'm an all-American Asian boy, so I always put it in there.
I'm an all-American Sicilian girl. There you go.
All right. So I just threw the cheese in there. It's gonna melt.
Big slabs of beefsteak tomato or heirloom tomato in there. Yum.
Whatever you have.
Put a lid on her.
Put a lid on it. All right.
Boop.
We're just gonna. It doesn't even need to be pretty. Just fold it over. Rachel, you want to help? And just fold it over.
Whatever. We don't have time for this.
Oh my God. Okay.
Oh look! From the magic of television.
All right. And so you guys know what it looks like on the inside.
It is gorgeous. And what fun for a brunch, right? A nice big brunch party. Oh yeah.
Oh, Rach, I gotta feed you. Oh, yes.
Come on, baby.